Guys, welcome to our channel Tricks in Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show the solution and answer for this puzzle. So you have to find the formula. The sequence is called the arithmetic sequence, where it add or subtract by the same amount each time. So like this is 7 to 3 is minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. So this is the arithmetic sequence. You have to find the formula. Pause this video to solve it and let's get started. So first, when you see this, even when I first thought it was difficult, but then I got it. So how do we get it is the issue. Because in some puzzles, like if it asks for the 100th sequence, then how do you solve it? Like doing minus, then like doing that, it takes a lot of time. So this method is the correct method. But how do we do that? Okay, so let me take a pen and let me take a pencil. Let me just write something and I just need a thickness. Okay, so let's get ready for it. We know it's minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. It's happening each time. And the sequence number for this is 1. This is the first one. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. For algebra for this, we are going to use n. Okay, so this is our n. And the next one is 5 and so on. It's like going continue. And it's okay. But how do we actually get the formula? Well, now here's the one. We are going to use n. But wait a minute. If we just write n, it's not going to work. Or even, even n plus 6 works, right? Because n is 1 and 1 plus 6 is 7. But then what about the 2? 2 plus 6 is 8, but it doesn't work. So that's also wrong. Okay, so the trick here is to take this one. Let me choose a different color to explain what I'm telling. Take the minus 4 because we are minus 4 each time. Write a minus 4. Remember this n I told? Yeah, so that n, like for n, that's the minus 4n, and this is the also a tricky part. This is the most tricky part. Plus minus something, choose a number, and now that we get a number, what number do we get? Let's take an example. We take the first one, which is 7. The first sequence is 7. So we write 7 here. We need to find is it plus or minus, and we get this one. Okay, so we have to find that. And now, just for now, don't consider this part. So n is not at all needed. Just focus on minus 4 something plus, minus 4 plus or minus by a number which is giving me 7. Okay, so now if you get it, you will find this. Minus 4, it's a plus by 11. It's the answer. So when I tell plus by 11, that means I'm going to write plus 11. And it is plus 11. before I told this minus 4n. So this is the formula. Yeah, so we found plus 11 and we know the minus 4n. So this is the formula. But wait, if you don't confirm this is the formula, I will show you this how it works. Okay, let's try for the first one. Minus 4. Okay, wait a minute. I just need to tell you something. That this minus 4n, that's minus 4 and n, just times minus 4 and n. And if you tell about the first sequence, you get something. Second, third, and so on. And you can also do the inverse, which is like if it asks which, like the number minus 5 is in the which sequence, we can do, instead of plus 11, we do a minus 11. It is minus 16. And divided by minus 4 is 4. And we know it's in the fourth sequence. So it's easy peasy. If you like this trick, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.